Joy, my dear friend. It's been years since your murder. You know what? If I found a way to get rid of you before, hindi ako magdadalawang isip na gawin din yun sa Lorenang yun. And I am still so effing glad that you're dead. Wala akong pinagsisisihan. And you know me? I will find ways para mawala lahat ng sagabal sa mga plano ko. And I don't care about playing dirty as long as I will emerge as the winner.